Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Telegram account on your mobile device. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, and then in the search bar type in Telegram. Now download the Telegram app, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to confirm your country code and then enter your phone number. Now, once you've entered all of those, tap next. And now, if you have Telegram app on your other devices, it will send a code to those devices, but if you don't, simply tap the option send the code as an SMS, and now they will send a verification code to your mobile number. As you can see, the code has just arrived, so simply type in the code, and there you have it. You have successfully logged into your Telegram account on your mobile device. So, that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.